Okay, guys, so we got a big snake and a bunch of eggs and a whole bunch of people. So, you guys excited? So, they saw the World Star video. I hope we're not making a World Star video right now. Because that usually means I almost get it. So, let's see what we got here. So this is a big one. This is a really big female. And her sister's the one that got us a lot of coverage. Come on, girl. So that might mean a really good thing. Look at that. Okay, come on, girl. This seems a little crazy, because it is, but it's mostly just because what we want to do is have a high success rate. Unlike the wild, we want all the eggs to survive. In the wild, less than 1% of the babies will actually make it to adulthood. A lot of them won't ever hatch. That's why they have so many eggs. So then I'm going to grab a couple more, throw them in this box over. Whoa, that thing almost got me. Want to take that glass off, Siavash? Okay, come on, girl. Come on. Well, don't you grab the box. She's trying to help. You're trying to help out. The only problem is her spring is going to go that way. I can see already. So I don't want you to be anywhere near her. I'm not really ready to remove her, I don't think. She's still looking right at you. Yeah, you guys, right there. There we go. Look at that. We got her. So she's starting to realize that we pretty much just another day at the job. So we're going to grab this eggs. We're going to see how you guys guess how many eggs there are here? 200. Oh, look at that. Dropped one. It did. So these eggs right here are stuck together because that's a natural defense system they have built into them. Because the eggs can't, so you see the eggs right here, they can't roll around. And so they're actually designed to not roll around. They have like a glue that sticks them all together. One takes care of all the snakes, makes sure that everything gets taken care of. Let's go ahead and take this out. Let's slide these together. Now you guys can all come in close. Just go ahead and feel them. We're going to have to get a real guess, you guys, how many eggs there are here. 32. 32. I hear 32. I hear 20. 32. What do you guys think out there? Come on, comment down below if you know how many there's going to be. So you can feel the eggs are soft. The reason why the eggs are soft is they grow their entire time. Does anybody know how many days it takes for these to hatch? Huh? 60 days, I heard. That would be for a ball python or Burmese or a carpet python. But these are actually reticulated pythons, so they're going to be 84 days, you guys. 84. So I'm trying to get them taken apart because that glue can be really strong in places. And the idea is that we get them flat in the same position they are because the embryo is up on top of them. So I got to keep the same position without tearing the egg, which I have torn an egg, unfortunately. But the good news is I promise you I'm saving a lot more than the 1 or 2 eggs I've torn in my life.
Do they generally just have one snake in them?
They typically have one snake in them. At times we've had as many as 3. That's weird. That got like a little... Yeah, it had one egg that was kind of weird on it. So this is an infertile egg, and you know what? Should we cut it open, you guys? Who thinks we should cut it open?
Yes.
We cut it open? Yes. Okay, we're going to cut it open. Every time we cut them open, it's a mess. Here we go. We got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 41 eggs, guys. 41 eggs. Let's tell everybody out on Instagram, bye. Oh, we're going to cut open the egg. Here we go. Here we go. What's that? Oh, listen to you. Okay, here we go.
That's a life taken away. He's already dead.
Here's what's in it. Yogurt! I mean, what do they call it? It's sticky. It's like super glue. And if I leave it on the counter, I probably have to use a hammer and chisel to get it off. Okay, now we really are gone. And I hope you guys had fun. And make sure you hit that like button. Take care.